Hey everybody, great to see you again. So before we jump into the math, let's take a brief moment to meditate and relax and focus ourselves. So wherever you are, just sit upright and gently close your eyes. You can put your hands on top of your thighs. They can be palms up, and you can even put your forefinger and thumb touching together like the OK sign. And think about where you would have to adjust your rib cage to be directly above your hips, and feel that alignment, feel that stability and rest and relaxation. So we're going to breathe deeply, inhaling through your nose as deep as you can, filling your belly. And you're going to exhale slowly through your nose, feeling your face relax, especially your jaw. Inhale. And as you exhale, feel your shoulders and neck relax. Inhale deeply through your nose. Breathe in the good air right into wherever you're feeling tense. And as you exhale, feel those tense spots relax. One more deep breath. Inhale. Focus on the air filling your belly. And see how slowly you can exhale through your nose. Enjoy that peaceful relaxation. Great job. Let's have a look at this multiple choice problem from the College Board. It says, if 3x minus y equals 12, what's the value of 8 to the x power over 2 to the y power? And I have 4 choices there. So give it a try. Do your best. It's okay if you don't know what to do. If you're not sure, you can go ahead and just make a guess. And we'll have a look at it together in about a minute. Okay, so when you were working through this, you may have asked yourself, well, how am I supposed to figure out what 8 to the x power divided by 2 to the y power is if I don't have enough information to figure out what x and y themselves are, which is completely reasonable. I selected this problem because I wanted you to see that SAT math questions are contrived, meaning that they've been written and designed very carefully, almost like a puzzle. And you'll see what I mean as we work through this together. So the first thing I want you to see is this. And ask yourself, what's the relationship between 8 and 2? And you may say, well, 8 is 2 times 4, which is true. But look at that x and y. And in the answer choices, look at this, and look at this. And you'll notice that those are all exponents. This is an exponents problem. So now ask yourself, what's the exponential relationship between 8 and 2? And you may recall that 8 is equal to 2 to the third power, because 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8. So all we're going to do is we're going to take this 2 to the third power and we're going to substitute it in for 8 here. So let's rewrite the equation. I'm going to have 2 to the third, we're just substituting that in for 8 to the x power, that stays the same, and the denominator is going to stay the same. So that's 2 to the y power. Okay, so I have 2 to the third to the x power over 2 to the y power. Well, 2 to the third to the x power, I'm going to multiply those exponents. So that's going to be equal to 2 to the 3x over 2 to the y. And when I have the same base in a fraction, and it's a number to an exponent divided by that same number to an exponent, you may recall that I then subtract the exponents. So this is equal to 2 to the 3x minus y. And here comes the shady part. Notice that this and this are the same. It was no accident that they started the problem with 3x minus y equals 12. Now all I need to do is go ahead and substitute 12 in for 3x minus y. So I end up then with 2 to the 12th power. And I now see that the answer is going to be this guy. So I hope that you can appreciate that these problems are written in a way that may seem a little tricky, but that's why we're practicing together, so that you'll have more and more strategies and knowledge and experience to put into your toolkit or repertoire, and your confidence will grow, and you'll start applying these strategies as we work through more problems. So I hope you enjoyed seeing the solution to this problem. If you have any questions or comments or requests, please leave them in the comments below, and I look forward to continuing to work with you. And feel free to subscribe to this channel if you would like to keep current with the latest videos. Great work!